Looking for dependable ink cartridges that keep your Brother printer running smoothly without breaking the bank? The LC501XL ink cartridges offer a smart solution for your MFCJ1260W, MFCJ1260DW, MFCJ1360DW, and MFCJ1410DW printers. These cartridges deliver consistent, vibrant prints while giving you more pages per cartridge than standard options. I switched to the LC501XL 4-pack by Cool Toner after struggling with pricey OEM cartridges. What stood out immediately was the high page yield, up to 500 pages per cartridge with 5% coverage on A4 paper. That means fewer replacements and less hassle during busy workdays or home projects. The color output stayed sharp, and the black ink was rich and deep, perfect for both documents and images. Each pack includes 4 cartridges, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, so you get everything you need to keep printing without interruption. Plus, the water-based ink formula ensures smooth flow and reliable performance, reducing the risk of clogs or streaks. While these aren't Brother OEM cartridges, they're fully compatible and designed specifically for your printer models. What changes when you choose LC501XL? You gain more value and fewer interruptions. Instead of constantly swapping cartridges, you get a high-yield option that supports your workflow efficiently. The consistent quality means your presentations, reports, and photos look professional every time. That reliability matters, especially when deadlines loom. If you're tired of overpaying for ink or dealing with cartridges that run dry too fast, this 4-pack is worth a look. It's a straightforward, cost-effective way to maintain print quality without compromise. The included user guide makes installation easy, even if you're new to replacing ink cartridges yourself. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The LC501XL ink cartridges deliver both affordability and performance for BrotherWorks Smart Series printers. With this pack, you get what you need: dependable ink, vibrant colors, and high page yields that keep your printer ready for whatever task comes next. Try the LC501XL cartridges when you're ready to save time and money without sacrificing print quality. Whether for home, office, or school, these cartridges offer a practical alternative that meets your printing needs reliably. Keep your Brother printer running at its best with ink you can count on.